This is our Blanco kitchen sink, and I'm gonna tell you why I love it so much. And also, one thing I might do differently if I was installing this sink today. The color you're seeing is called anthracite. This is an undermount sink, and there are many different options available in Blanco sinks. This is a granite composite, so you'll notice that as an alternative to stainless steel, it is a whole lot quieter. So if I have a pot or a pan and I'm cleaning something inside the sink, it doesn't bang around and make a lot of noise. So I love how quiet it is. It's really durable. We have no scratches, and we've had it for probably 3 years. I had my first Blanco sink back in 2005, and I loved it just as much. I know several family members have gotten Blanco sinks also in different tones, some of them light colors, dark colors, and they've all performed extremely well. You can see there's a little bit of a sparkle to the finish here. And I do want to talk about the finish and the color for just a minute here. This is the color anthracite, and it is a beautiful, beautiful dark color. You can see it looks really great with our dark flecks in our granite. However, if I were choosing this again, I would probably choose one color lighter, because we do have hard water here and it gets a little bit of that kind of marking, dried water markings on it. And because it's a dark color, it doesn't cover it quite as well. So that's something that I kind of knew going in when I made this choice. This was kind of a bold color choice. I kind of understood that that was going to happen, but now that it's a few years in, I think I probably would have chosen just one tone lighter gray. And I think that that would have covered that up a whole lot better. That's a complete non-issue if you choose one of the light colors. And I paired it with this drain set here and then this cover, and I think it creates a really, really beautiful modern look. So I would definitely get a Blanco sink again.